this is like my third time starting over my whole YouTube channel, but this is the last time like I'm over this shit.
I'm not gonna, keep on, rambling and rambling. I'm just getting to it. I'm sorry if my camera is cutting me off. I ain't got no tripod. I'm gonna show you where I got my stuff, how cheap you can be, because girl, you don't have to spend a lot to make your stuff look nice. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my dorm and I'll be right back. So for me, if I'm gonna show you guys my dorm, I want to show you guys everything. So this is my living room, y'all. I didn't know how to decorate the living room because I have a roommate at the end of the day. So I tried to keep it real simple, This is the furniture they give you or whatever. This is the little kitchen area and stuff. So by the way, secret only, I have a Keurig for coffee. I got this at Walmart for $19.99. I got this on Amazon for like about $20. It's like a knockoff blend jet. I'm a Grambling State University student. So by the way, it comes with like a microwave and a refrigerator, but you can buy your own. Underneath I have a waffle maker that my boyfriend's grandmother gave me, and an air fryer that was like $39 at Walmart. But just know that some dorms don't even allow air fryers, like mine's really don't, y'all, but I'm like rebelling. I just wanted to like last minute decorate my living room because my room is like pimped out and my living room ain't all that. But I want to throw a little something together. You can literally print this out, like this paper right here, and like type Holy Chick on it, print it out and put it in a frame from freaking Dollar Tree. Same thing with this. And I got this one from Walmart, and this is like a little water fountain. If I turn it on, water comes from out of it and stuff. Girl, I got this from Five Below. So this is the sink area or whatever. This is my area. Got a little picture of, a little wax out. They give you a little mirror and stuff. You get the little cabinet, got a little rug in front of it. But it's real simple. This is my bathroom. The bathroom is like really simple. Everything came from Walmart. The rugs as well. The pictures, same thing. Printed out a Chanel sign and put it in a picture frame. Literally that easy. Towels from Walmart as well. And now, oh, let me turn off the light. Got to turn off the light. My room is really, really nicely done, I feel like. And when you enter my room, there's like a little picture of me. Yes, I did that myself. I kind of messed up. It's a little nigga rig, but it's okay. But we're just gonna walk in. So, first thing you see when you walk in, boom, this is where my shoes go. Not all my shoes. This is basically the closet space, but this is the bed area. So I got this cover from Walmart, and my bedspread came from Kate Spade, and these cute little chicken nugget pillows, I think they came from Walmart. I'm not sure. One says chicken nugget, one says nap. I'm trying to see if I got them from Walmart because I don't want to lie to y'all. I think I got them from Walmart though. Everything came from Walmart. So is the shawl and stuff too for my bed. Yes, I wanted a shawl. Now, originally I got this from what's it called, Hobby Lobby, and I had printed that out and put Tatiana Marie on there with a Chanel sign. But originally I wanted the whole thing to say it, but I just couldn't do it. It was too much for me. So I left it alone. This is my little area or whatever. I got some roses for my grandmother's funeral. Yes, they're a little dead. Don't mind those though. It says 26 days left because my birthday is actually in 10 days. Well, 9 days now. I need to change that. But yeah, this is that. This is my little area where I just, sit my little cup down, sit a little food down, a little remote stand or whatever. That's a purse. That's not decorations or anything. That's just a purse. But yes, I have an oil diffuser that I don't know where I got that from. Actually, someone sent that to me. But you can get oil diffusers off Amazon. And just spray and oil and stuff, other stuff. That's the key card to my room, actually, because we don't get a key. We get like a key card like we stay in a hotel. And then underneath is where I keep my deodorant, smell goods, candles, and all that. What's and right there, that is my shower shoes because I don't trust the showers. So I know someone's gonna ask about this. I want you guys to know that I literally got that from Walmart. And it's like in the kitchen supplies area. I don't know what it's called, but it's in the kitchen supply area, and I literally have it on everything in my room. Literally. But yeah, it's in the kitchen area, and if I find out what it is called, I'm gonna link it in the video. So this is my TV and stuff. Got a little candle, little Lysol, all that. And then I got the same little kitchen, little tabletop stuff. I really don't know what that's called, but I'm gonna insert it you guys. And right next to it is the thing that I'm most proud of, my vanity. I made my own vanity. I did all this stuff by myself. I made my own vanity. I got These two portraits my sister gave me, and they're from BB. This mirror came from Home Depot, if I'm not mistaken. They're like $19.99, and these bulbs came from Walmart, and they're changeable bulbs too. You can change the lightning on them to like dim, blue, bright. Like, it's to the point where I don't even use my ring light at this point. And this is like my little, like where I have all my makeup at, little shea butter and stuff, all that. It's really not organized, you guys, don't at me. And this is like my jewelry box. I keep a lot of stuff in my jewelry box, glasses, freaking headbands and all that. And this is just vitamins, where I keep my makeup palettes, my brushes, and freaking nail remover and stuff like that. But that's basically it for the vanity. But I'm really excited about the vanity because I did the vanity all by myself. It was like a hassle when I got here. And then right here, as you see, I have this fur seat cover that I got from Amazon as well. And underneath my stuff, it looks a little messy, but it's not. That's where I just keep my medicine, and I got a few headbands and a printer that I never use. And underneath me, as you guys can see, I got a white rug, and I also have a heater, but shush, don't tell nobody. We don't supposed to have no heaters here. But it be cold. They be having me like real messed up. That's why I ain't telling nobody my room number. But yeah, this is my little fur rug that I got from Amazon, and it's really pretty. Like, I feel like it's pretty good because, you know, most fur rugs like that you get from Amazon, they be like ass. If I let you guys get a clear look of my room, this is how it looks. And by the way, my room actually went viral, you guys, on Twitter, because we had like this HBCU cribs thing, and I won. So I guess this is as focused as my camera's gonna get, and I gotta lean in for y'all to see me. But yeah, you guys, that was my dorm tour, and I hope you guys liked it. I know that this is probably hella annoying seeing me this blurry right now. Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, come back with a friend, do something, bring a gay homeboy. We love the gays. I do plan on like going somewhere after this video. That's why I'm halfway dressed up here and not dressed. I need to put on some pants and go ahead and go. But I need to tell you guys this before I leave. I'm trying to get into like affiliate links, and some of the stuff that I had named will be down below in the description for you to go shop and for you to go and get. I'm gonna try to link everything that I said down below, because most of the stuff came from Amazon, Walmart, and freaking Hobby Lobby, Five Below. Like, so much stuff in here was cheap. And I'm gonna try to find the pricing and put that in the video as well. But that's it, you guys. I hope you guys like my dorm tour. I just became hella blurry when I did that. And goodbye. See you guys next time.